Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can buy Eternals in League of Legends. First of all, we have to open the store. Next we have to move for champions and go for Eternals on the left side. Right now we can get it for riot points and the blue essence. You can also use this option to sort with the price by blue essence, and as you can see we can also get this starter series Eternal pass, and we can basically buy Eternals for all champs that we have on our account. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pay with the blue essence, and as you can see the item is unlocked, and there's also Eternal series 2, series 1, and if you want to unlock for any champ you can do this also. But as you can see in my case right now it's not available anymore because I just get the whole Eternals pass. So that's how we can do this on the League of Legends. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.